Okay.
Hi.
Hi. All right. Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. We're still studying. Okay.
Show yourself.
Ah, that's all right. Hi. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. We need a real camera. Okay. So let's start again.
Of the Gulf of Mexico.
Let's try.
Of all the weather around not just the Gulf Coast but into the nation, the rest of the nation also. It's very humid right along the Gulf Coast. A lot of times you get sea breezes that'll come in. You might even get some storms initiated by them. But you tend to have higher dew point temperatures. So you tend to have warmer temperatures in general. Some of those just due to the latitude, but a lot of it is actually just the heat of the Gulf of Mexico. Sometimes you can have water temperatures around 80 to 90 plus degrees in the Gulf of Mexico. To think about a body of water being over 90 degrees as a naturally occurring body of water that's not a hot spring or something like that, it's really impressive. And if you get a hurricane moving in over 80 to 90 degree water, you're talking the potential for really explosive hurricane development. In order for hurricanes to intensify, they move over that warm, almost bathtub-style water. And a couple good examples of that. We didn't have a very strong hurricane season, tropical season last year, but think back to 2005. You had Katrina and you had Rita, back-to-back giant hurricanes. And if you look at some of the ocean water temperatures compared to the Gulf water temperatures, the Gulf had temperatures near the coast, near the Gulf Coast, of close to 90 to 95 degrees. That's extremely warm, and that's why we saw a lot of rapid intensification.
Okay, I have no idea what they're talking about.
He doesn't have the best English. He shouldn't say extremely warm. He should say extremely hot. It's more, because warm is like 20 to 30 degrees, but you couldn't say warm at 90 plus degrees.
Okay. Well, there's a... Say.
Why so many fish are dying in the Gulf of Mexico?
What's the Gulf of Mexico anyway?
They don't tell.
Gulf of Mexico tsunami. Gulf of Mexico. This is like 25 minutes. Okay. Try this one. We'll just...
The Gulf of Mexico is an ocean basin largely surrounded by the North American continent. It is bounded on the northeast, north, and...
Yeah, that's just that. Okay. By the way, just again, let's just lower the
Underwater to Gulf of Mexico.
The Gulf of Mexico is an ocean basin largely surrounded by the North American continent.
So this, oh God. Okay, let's just see.
I returned to the Gulf Coast 5 years after the BP oil spill.
I forgot what the BP. It was a big oil spill at the time. Searches and crocodile drop. Okay, I don't think we'll find what we need about here.
Swimming in the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, that's... Yeah. And this is... They got 7.3 million views out of it.
Is that a lot or little?
Daily bumps. Well... 7.3 million views? It's quite a bit. Okay. 2 minutes, okay, that's good enough. Just to see what it is. That's the Gulf of Mexico life in the Gulf of Mexico. Now that's nice.
Have you ever been there?
In the Gulf of Mexico? No.
Must be very expensive to live there.
It must be.
The ocean's so pretty.
What did you say?
Sugar white sand.
They have a white sand.
Yeah, and the ocean's so pretty, like ocean color. I
Yeah.
love it. It's my favorite color.
I
wish I could buy the whole ocean.
yeah,
I think it's free.
it is free. Probably. So there's private villas and stuff.
Bike trails,
Mm-hmm.
canoeing,
Mm-hmm. Plenty
just plenty to do.
do.
Swimming, playing, always hot weather.
And white sand, which is nice, and silky white sand. That would be nice to go there. Today,
Blue Mountain Beach, Creamery.
which means ice cream. Yeah, the sand. Look at that sand. Look at that sand.
And the ocean color. Look, as it goes further, it gets bluer because it's deeper.
Yeah.
And
Like,
I
yeah.
love this kind of color.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Kind of turquoise color, right? Turquoise.
Ocean color.
Mm-hmm.
Many unique communities.
Oh. Turtle reef. Oh, it says turtle reef. There's a reef.
Do you think it's expensive or not to kind of like stay in a hotel like for at least a week?
I don't think it's too expensive. It doesn't look like it's not in Miami, so it won't be that expensive, no. Because it's mostly seasonal. It's not, Miami is like a year long, all year long. I think it's more a seasonal place, maybe. I don't think it's that expensive. Try.
Great places to hang out. The perfect lifestyle.
The perfect lifestyle. So
With palm trees.
with palm trees, yeah. Once you get a few $1 million, you can get it. Yeah, maybe 10, 15 million. I don't know.
That's a few. You're kidding me.
That's a few. 10, 15 is not too many. It's a few.
A few.
Few million. Few million. I didn't say few dollars.
Uh,
I said few million.
yeah.
Well,
But few million is 2 million. Come for the beaches. Come for the moments. Yeah, the sand looks nice.
there's the hotels. So people live in the hotels too.
And then go right.
There's the marshy areas here.
Yeah, like wet
Where
swamp.
swamp.
But just
It's
swamp.
not- I wouldn't say it's swamp. I would say it's marshy.
What's marshy mean?
Just yeah, kind of close to a swamp.
Only it looks like much cleaner than a swamp.
Yeah, there's more light. I would say swamp is darker. There's not too much. Here you have a lot of light. It's still wet. That is nice. That is nice. That is.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's kind of like a village here. Oh, that's beautiful.
And the ocean is all close by.
That's a beautiful place. We should save it. Maybe go instead of going to Cuba. One that I thought you asked me go to Cuba. Maybe we should come to a place like that. Well, Cuba is nice too, but Cuba you can't really rent a car. Well, you can, but it's kind of dangerous because you're not in the U.S. Here, I don't know whether you're in U.S. or whether you're in Mexico. I'm not so sure. Florida. Okay, so Florida is much better. You're in U.S. You're a little bit more safer than, because Cuba has they have their own laws and things like that. So when you're in the U.S., it's easier to rent a car, easier to use a driver's license. So it's much easier. Not as Cuba.
Is the ocean nice and warm?
Oh yeah, of course. Oh, there it is.
I think you would be able to paddle in it too.
Oh.
If you want to.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So what? So what else we gonna? Where were we? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so at least we started what's okay.
Mission Bay in San Diego, California.
Okay, so
Bay,
then Bay
of
Bengal
near India.
Sure.
Bay of Bengal near India.
Okay, next. Seas.
Another large body of water is a sea. Sometimes sea is used in place for ocean.
In place
of ocean.
Sure. Sometimes
sea is used in place of ocean.
So in place means instead. Sure. Sometimes sea is used in place of ocean.
But they are not the same thing. Seas are smaller than oceans. They are partially blocked in by land.
Sure.
They are partially blocked in by land. Seas are not as calm as bays and gulfs.
Sure.
Seas are not as calm as bays and gulfs.
Okay. Okay, so this is what is it? The sea
of Japan.
Sure.
The Sea of Japan
is
northwest of Japan.
Northwest. Sure. The Sea of
Japan is northwest of Japan.
Okay, and
Sea of Japan.
There it is. There is the Sea of Japan. Okay, the South
China Sea is between Vietnam and the Philippines.
Sure.
The South China Sea is between Vietnam and the Philippines. Under the sea, landforms are everywhere. They are even in the bottom of the oceans. Oceans and mid-ocean ridges.
Okay, поехали.
Oceans are very, very deep, but there is still land beneath them. There are hills and valleys. There are even long chains of underwater mountains. They are called mid-ocean ridges.
Mid-ocean ridges. Wow. Okay. Oceans are very, very
deep, but there is still land beneath them.
Okay, beneath the oceans. Okay.
There are hills and valleys. There are even long chains of underwater mountains. They are called mid-ocean ridges. Some of these chains are so tall they reach above water.
So okay.
There are also extra deep places under the ocean.
Sure.
There are also extra deep places under the ocean. These deep places are known as oceanic trenches.
Sure. These
deep places are known as oceanic trenches.
Okay.
The Mariana Trench.
The Mariana, I think. Mariana. The Mariana Trench.
The Mariana
Trench. Pronounce trench. Okay.
Geographical name.
Ocean Trench. Okay. The Mariana Trench is the
deepest place on Earth.
It shows.
The Mariana Trench is the deepest place on Earth.
The
The deepest spot,
the
the deepest spot in the trench is called the Challenger Deep.
Okay.
Naming our world. We name the things in our
Just we name
the things in our world so we can talk with one another about them. This helps us work together and share what we know. When something is important to us, we may create new words to tell about it. We want to talk about it in every way that we can.
Okay.
Landforms are important to us because Earth is important to us. We depend on Earth to live.
It shows we
Depend on Earth to live. We live in its mountains and valleys. We live near its oceans, in canyons.
No.
We live near its oceans and in canyons, high and low. We love Earth and give landforms many names. Of course, the best.
Of course, and there's a comma. It's just
Of
course.
The best name for Earth is a simple one. We call it home.
What is it? Let's
do science.
What are they doing exactly? The flour, salt. Okay, let's see what they. I don't know what they do.
Mama, go back to the next. Go back to the next page. Lay the newspaper on a table or counter. Put a large mixing bowl on the top. On top.
It should put a
large mixing bowl on top of the newspaper. Measure the right amounts of flour, water, and salt. Use your hands to mix everything together. Here's the measuring.
What are they doing?
Oh, wait. Think of some landforms you have seen. Make them in the dough.
So basically, they make a handmade dough. It's a Play-Doh. Just that's it. It's just a Play-Doh. It's just a Play-Doh, basically homemade Play-Doh. You have water, salt.
Yep, and make a mountain.
Make a mountain. Oh, please.
We have our own Play-Doh.
You just can take a Play-Doh, basically. Okay, so let's do a glossary first. Okay. Canyons.
Flat areas surrounded by mountains with steep sides.
Dash it.
Climate. The usual type of weather a place gets. Elevation. A measure of how high a place is.
Peaks.
The highest point of mountain.
The highest points of mountains. Plateaus. You want some coffee?
No, that's not coffee.
That's a coffee.
Okay. Hi. Not every person says for the children to have coffee.
It's okay. We can have coffee. Okay, sure.
And I'm only 8.
That's okay.
Plateaus. Large flat areas of land that are higher than other areas of surrounding land.
Okay.
Ridges. Long areas of land that are on top of mountains or hills. Slopes.
What's the difference between ridges and peaks? The highest. Okay. The
highest points of mountains.
And ridges is long areas
of land that are on top of mountains or hills. Slope. The upward or downwards slant of landform.
steep,
almost straight, up and down,
trenches,
long narrow holes in the ocean floor. Your turn, land art.
Almost done. Okay, so those they have here.
Finish book. And then there's gonna be a test.
Oh, we're not gonna do test. That's a big book. Okay, what actually they have here? So this is Get Epic, by the way. What we have? We have chemical reaction. Oh, we have a chemical reactions here, which is nice. We're not gonna do them. We're just gonna. It would be nice to do them. Mechanical engineering.
Plant reproduction. Landforms.
Landforms.
Again.
Adaptation, energy cells. This is nice. Look at that library. More like this. Erosion.
Earth's crust.
Oh, wait a minute. This is landforms. Is this another landforms?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. More like this. Oh my god, look at that. Deserts. Metamorphic rocks. What are gems? Look at that beautiful book. Look at those beautiful books. Oh, rock cycle. We need to read it all.
Yeah.
Today. No? Guess not.
I think my brain will pop by then. Environment, a world of change.
A world of change.
Our sun. Solutions.
Okay, let's see what this landforms. Complete. Oh, what does it say?
Daily 20 minutes complete.
Done.
That was 20 minutes.
Well, it took more than that, but anyway.
Congrats on finishing 20 minutes of reading today. You've read a total of 58 minutes.
Whatever.
So we read 58 minutes, but you kind of need to do less. Investigating landforms. Earth's surface is always changing. Learn about landforms that scientists study to learn about these changes. Age range. Mama, why did you put such an age? 9 to 12.
I didn't put it there. That's what.
No, you put it actually there.
I didn't.
Yes, you do.
They suggested it. And you're almost 9. One more year, you're gonna be 9. Right there. You just.
But I'm not 12.
It's 9 to 12.
Yeah, but can't you put at least 7 to 8? Because I'm 8.
I didn't. It's a suggested age.
Then suggest something else.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Okay.
Mama,
We just read a few pages. Just 3 pages, I swear. Okay, поехали. Water. Okay, this is, by the way, this is a recording. So we're gonna put all your whining on there on YouTube for everybody to listen to.
No.
Yes, we will. I swear to God, I'll put it all. And all the whining. You don't want to whine? Okay, let's just read. Поехали. What are landforms?
Imagine yourself on a hike with your friends. You see the mountains
all around you. I don't know why there is no zoom here. Okay, get up. Okay. Okay, поехали.
Okay. You see the mountains all around you. Ahead is an outcropping of rocks. It seems like a giant hand just stuck the rocks in the side of the mountain. Just past them, you can see an open valley. It's wide and green. You sit and wonder, how did all of the...
It's just, I think it's a little bit too much. This is too much.
Because it's 9 to 12.
It's not about even that. It's just, It's just a little bit too much. It's a big book. It's not just. This is a. You need to sit down by yourself and read this crap. It's not. This is a big book. This is a normal fold, reverse fold. Oh shit. No, that's too much. That kind of crap is too much. Weathering. Okay, so let's go back. This is not gonna work. Okay.
Mom, look, how about put the ages 7 to 9 at least?
Okay, we read that. That's the ages of 7 to 9 we read.
No, that's ages 9 to 12.
We read different 9 to 12. Anyway, let's see again.
There's no such thing as a different 9 to 12.
Okay. So there was 2 landforms we read. This is 7 to 9. There is that one. There is landforms, and so there is a few landform books. Okay, there is the landforms. What is this?
What reading level did?
This is 5 to 7. Okay.
Landforms and how they are made. Landforms make up our Earth. Landforms are underwater and on mountains. They are everywhere we look.
It shows. They are everywhere we look.
And made up of make up different habitats.
It shows.
Landforms make up our Earth. Landforms are underwater and on mountains. They are everywhere we look and make up different habitats.
They.
No, Господи. Okay, поехали next.
Landforms and how they are made.
Oh, we need to read.
They.
Oh, Господи. Okay. Landforms. Forms.
All the natural features of Earth's solid surface.
Okay. So table of contents. Okay, what's about it? Так, Julie Kittet grew up near Lake Superior,
where she
reveled. It's enjoyed. Where she reveled in mucking about. Mucking about means walking about. Reveled in mucking about in the woods, picking berries and expanding her rock collection.
Interest.
Подожди, как это слово mucking? Вот. Читай. Mucking.
Oops, definition not found.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Revel.
Okay, читай.
Reveled.
Revel.
To take part in a revel. Be noisy in a festive manner. To take great delight in something.
That's what I said. To take great
delight in something.
Okay, so we're gonna at least it's okay. Поехали.
Landforms, patterns and maps. Earth's surface varies. It has natural features of all kinds that make up our planet's landforms.
Okay, so we have Earth's layers. We have a crust, which is on top. We have inner core. We have outer core. We have lower mantle and upper mantle and crust. So
which we live in.
Yeah.
Earth's surface is also known as the crust.
Okay.
Like a big apple.
Okay. Поехали.
Some landforms, such as coral reefs, lie underwater. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. We use maps and satellite images to show the shape and location of landforms on the continents and in oceans.
Okay, so this is a. So this is, by the way, what is this? This is a
Satellite.
satellite. Okay,
Map of the world.
map of the world. So we have a Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and
Australia.
Oceania, Australia/Oceania, because there is lots of islands.
Are you sure you're recording?
Yeah, I'm sure I'm recording. This time I'm sure I'm recording.
Hey, I'm gonna show me.
Show you?
Yeah.
Okay, there she is.
Hi.
Hi, there it is. Tala studying geography today. So we're right into the geography today. Okay, поехали next. So we have, and let's see what oceans, what kind of oceans we have. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. Do you remember, was there an ocean on top or was it?
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean. Oh, there it is. Arctic Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean.
And there are 5 oceans in all.
Okay, there, поехали.
The Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans have been named for years. The southern ocean around Antarctica is our newest named ocean.
Еще раз. The
Southern ocean around Antarctica is our newest named ocean.
Okay. So поехали landforms. Okay, поехали.
Mountains are the tallest landforms. Landform patterns provide clues about Earth's long history and the forces at work to make and shape landforms.
Okay.
Rock layers show Earth's
history. Еще раз.
Rock layers show Earth's history.
In the geosphere is the Earth system having to do with Earth's
rocks
and soils. Еще раз. Geosphere. Geosphere is the Earth system having to do with Earth's rocks and soils. Поехали. Forces at work. Wind.
Wind moves particles of soil, sand, and dust through the air.
Еще раз. Wind moves
particles of soil, sand, and dust through the air. They brush, pelt, and scrape the surface.
And
scrape at surfaces.
So wind and water, that's what it is. It's erosion. Remember we talk about erosion?
Erosion.
Okay, поехали. Wind
carves rock trees in a
Oh, look at this, rock trees. Еще раз. Wind carves rock trees in a desert. Еще раз. Wind, давай еще раз. Wind
moves particles of soil, sand, and dust through the air. They brush, pelt, and scrape at surfaces. Wind-blown sand creates a haboob.
That's what in Israel happens. That's kind of weather. It's a sand, basically a sandstorm. Show us.
Wind blown sand creates a haboob.
Haboob. Okay. Show us. Wind blown
Sand
creates
creates
a
a haboob.
haboob.
In the
The
know.
know.
Atmosphere is the system having to do with
Yes.
Earth's air. Can we look at the haboob?
Haboob. Okay.
You wouldn't like it if you were standing right in the middle of it. It would blow right into your face.
Okay.
Haboob.
Okay. Haboob.
A violent and
And-
oppressive wind blowing in summer.
Show us.
A violent and
And
oppressive wind
wind.
blowing in
Summer.
summer, especially in Sadun. Sadun.
Sudan.
Sudan,
Sudan.
bringing sand from the desert.
Sudan is it's Africa. Okay. So let's see. What here?
Haboob,
Haboob.
disaster.
A
A haboob is a type of intense dust storm carried
carried
on an
on
an atmospheric gravity current, also known as a weather
front.
Haboobs occur regularly in dry land area regions throughout the world.
Dryland area regions throughout the world. Okay.
I would like to be in one.
Wow. Okay.
What is a haboob? YouTube.
You know what a haboob is?
Haboob? Oh man, haboob. Is that with weather too?
Bryce, question for you. What is a haboob?
It's when it seems like the apocalypse is coming, but really it's only rain and sand.
Okay.
A type of intense
Let's
dust.
see.
A type of intense dust storm carried on an atmospheric gravity current, also known as a weather front. So there's
What
rain.
is that?
So there's rain and how do you call it?
No, there's no air rain. It's just a sand. Basically, atmospheric gravity current. I think it's sand picked up from the.
Desert?
Yeah, I think that's kind of air comes and just picks up the top layer of sand or something like that.
Is this the farthest you've been out west?
Absolutely, yeah. This is the first time I
Okay, so if I ask you, what is a haboob? What is your answer?
No clue.
A haboob. What do you think it is? You
A
need to get your
haboob.
best guess.
Haboob. Is that some type of clothing? Okay.
No, you're actually not close.
Okay.
Haboob. Nah, what is that?
Haboob. You've been having them during camp. You've been having them during camp. We had them yesterday.
The things in the cafeteria?
No, man.
Haboob. I'm guessing haboob is like super drought.
Your phone started going off. Yeah, doing all that weird stuff. What was your first, like? What did you think right away? Like,
Hurricane was about to hit. Then I was like, we ain't about no water. So then I was like, I asked somebody at the table, was that camp? They said it was a haboob coming. And I looked outside, and I thought, I thought the world was about to end or something. I seen all the dust in there. It was dark outside. It kind of scared me a little bit. And they said it's just a dust storm.
Just a
This
dust
wind.
storm?
That's all it is.
From a distance, it looks like the world's ending. When you're in it, it's just like kind of foggy, real windy. But besides that, it looks like the world's ending.
Will blow your way.
70-mile long, 5-mile high dust storms that come before the monsoons.
Will blow your
They
way.
come-
No, I feel like I'm in that movie The Mummy, you know, when that face is coming out of it. It's cool.
Is it strong enough to blow you off your feet?
No, I don't. I don't think it has that much strength. I think it's the amount of the.
It's like a rain of sand.
Let's say it's dust of sand. Probably more like a dust of sand.
This is really cool. I mentioned a photo that perfectly explains why we saw that crazy video of that dust storm making its way on through. So take a look at this shot. Incredible, right? This is obviously from a pilot. This is from back on Sunday night, about 7 p.m. local time here in Phoenix, of course, in the heart of the desert. So what's going on here, and why are we seeing this? I'm going to kind of show this to you. First of all, of course, here you got yourself a thunderstorm, right? But the thunderstorm at this point, we're late in the day, we're losing the sunlight, the storm starting to collapse. And as a result, when you get a collapsing thunderstorm, you get those cool winds that rush on out. So you're getting winds that come on down. They're called downbursts. You get those downbursts, they hit the ground, and they rush on out. They pick up all the clay, all the sand, all the sediment here in the desert, and they pick it up and they transport it. Those winds going 20, 30, 40, sometimes even up to 50, 60 miles an hour as they rush out. You ever stood outside in the middle of a summer thunderstorm, or kind of ahead of a summer thunderstorm, you often feel that cool rush of wind. That same wind is what causes what you are seeing here. That dust storm picks up all that sand and it transports it ahead in the direction of where that storm is moving, in this case, towards the Phoenix area. Incredible. The dust storms can also be dangerous. Quarter-mile visibility can often be seen with this, quarter-mile or less. So you ever get a dust storm like this? Stay off of the roadways. Just pull on over because you want to let that roll its way up. I wanted to explain that quickly to you.
Okay, so what he said is it's
road shot.
It should have been a storm.
This is amazing.
And it dissipated, and the
this.
wind comes down. It looks like the world is ending. It's true.
Turn around. Say hi. Right. Timber's first monster epic boom right here. This thing is unbelievable.
Oh my god.
It feels like the world is ending.
It is. It does feel like a world is ending.
Yeah, and you need to run away from it as fast as you can, because
it's just really just a kind of, it's a light cloud of dust. It's gonna swallow! Oh my god, it feels like it's gonna swallow us.
Oh, there's your son.
There's a
Nice.
son. Oh my god. This is.
Wow, look at those little pods. Look at it.
Oh my god.
everyone's rushing away. Everyone's like, fast, it's catching us.
It's an Arizona desert. Okay, so
Oof.
okay, where were we?
Ed.
Epic. Okay. Так, okay, next. Just
Atmosphere is the system having to do with
air.
Over time, wind-blown particles
Where
rock
rocks smooth. It's just over time wind-blown particles were rock smooth.
Disposable
Что?
Deposits of particles is new.
No. Okay, again.
Over time, wind-blown particles were rock smooth. Deposits of particles in new places make new landforms.
So this is, what is this? This is Hoodus, Alberta,
Canada.
Yeah, that's in Alberta. It shows. Say
Hoodus, Alberta, Canada. I don't know. That doesn't look like Canada.
That should say.
Wind sweeps sand into dunes.
Forces at work.
Moving
plates. It shows. Forces at work. Moving plates.
Earth's crust is made of plates. They fit together like loose moving puzzle
pieces. Поехали.
Earth's plates push, pull, and shift. Tectonic plate boundaries.
Еще раз. Tectonic plate boundaries. There it is. There is that. It's called tectonic plate. Еще раз.
Tectonic plate boundaries
in the no
sphere.
Еще раз.
The sphere is the system having to do with the Earth's crust.
Еще раз. Lithosphere is the system having to do with Earth's crust. This Thingvellir National Park, Iceland. See? Iceland, where
the Atlantic tectonic plates meet.
Iceland. Where is Iceland?
Island.
No. Iceland.
Oh.
Iceland somewhere. Iceland somewhere here. It's on the north anyway. Atlantic. Where is that? Okay, Pacific Ocean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where is Atlantic Ocean? Somewhere here.
Beside the Arctic.
Yeah, somewhere around here. Iceland is Europe. Near Europe or Europe. So it's somewhere around that place.
Europe is near Arctica?
Well, Europe goes from the south to the north. Yeah, it's this is Europe. It's all Europe. I think Iceland is Iceland in Europe? I'm not sure.
I never heard of Iceland.
Iceland is it's a northern country. It's a country.
Hey.
Okay, so where the Atlantic tectonic plates meet. Okay. Iceland is it's frozen, I think, partially at least. Okay.
So it's like Arctica?
It's not. It's near Arctic. Yeah. Okay. Most
earthquakes and volcanoes occur at plate edges.
Еще раз. Most
earthquakes and volcanoes occur at plate edges. Magma rises through volcanoes, making new rock.
So there it is. There's the volcano. So this is a volcano. This is magma, and this is a tectonic plate, and this is the tectonic. So they meet here, and this is the boundary. There is the boundary. Okay. Next, Mount Everest,
the highest mountain in the world. It's the highest mountain in the world.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, next.
Earth's tallest mountains were made when tectonic plates pushed into each other.
So this is two tectonic. So this one rises, right? This tectonic plate rises because this tectonic plate pushes onto this, and what happens? This one went down, and this one goes higher and higher. So that's how it is. Еще раз. Читай еще раз.
Earth's tallest mountains were made when tectonic plates pushed into each other.
Especially forces at work. Water. How much we have to read there? I think that's about it. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. Forces at work. Water.
Water moves soils. Oceans, rivers.
Now, okay, finish this coffee. Because we have 2 pages to finish still. Okay. Поехали.
forces at work. Water moves soils, oceans.
Water moves soils.
Oceans, rivers, lakes. Rain and ice shape landforms through erosion deposits.
Okay, sure.
Water moves soils, oceans, rivers, lakes, rain and ice shape landforms through erosion and deposits.
And deposits, so erosion and deposits.
That's what I said the last time.
Yeah. Okay, еще раз давай читай. Water
moves soils.
Water moves soils, and there is stop.
Water moves soils.
Oceans,
rivers, lakes, rain and ice shape landforms through erosion and deposits. In the north, hydrosphere is the Earth system having to do with water.
Okay. This is the
Colorado River shaped this canyon over thousands of years.
Look at that beautiful canyon. Wow.
Okay. Cyprus Island, Mediterranean Sea.
Еще раз. Cyprus Island, Mediterranean Sea.
It looks so pretty there.
It's near Greece. It's Greece. Cyprus is Greece. It's Europe. This is southern Europe. Okay. Next. Okay.
People, plants, and animals interact with landforms and Earth's natural systems.
Okay. So we're not gonna read this. We had enough today. So let's read this one and this we already read enough. Okay, поехали.
Climate change, growing cities, and increased mining and industry affect Earth's landforms and systems and us. Protect our planet. Reuse and recycle. Fix leaky faucets. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Walk, bike or bus.
Еще раз.
Walk, bike or bus. Eat foods grown or raised locally.
Еще раз. Eat foods
grown or raised locally.
So that they don't need to be transported, because when you transport, what happens? The car uses the fuel, and the fuel is the...
Why did they say walk, bike or bus?
So that you don't take your own car, because cars' emissions ruin the planet.
Yeah, but soon there will be electric cars.
It's not soon enough. Okay. How much we have to do? Okay, let's go back. Let's read the glossary anyway. Okay. Glossary. Deposits. Layers or piles
of sand, soils, or rocks dumped by wind or water.
Еще раз. Deposits.
Layers or piles of sand, soils, or rocks dumped by wind or water.
So this is deposit. Okay, that's it. Erosion.
The wearing away of rock or other surfaces.
Дальше.
Geosphere.
Еще раз.
Geosphere.
Geosphere. Еще раз.
Geosphere.
Еще раз. Geosphere.
The southern parts of the Earth, including rock and soil.
Дальше.
Hydrosphere.
The
Earth system that refers
to water. It shows hydrosphere, hydrosphere, the Earth system that refers to water, including rain, oceans, rivers, and lakes. Landforms.
All the natural features on Earth's solid surface.
Lithosphere. It shows lithosphere. Lithosphere. The Earth system that includes the Earth's crust and its plates. Magma.
Hot melted rock.
Hot, and you stop.
Melted
rock
below the Earth's surface. Plates with vast sections of Earth's crust that change and move.
Satellite. The equipment. Equipment orbiting Earth, some of which take and send photos and other
data. Completed. 23 minutes, 94 points.
Okay,
I don't think the points really matter.
Well. Okay, so what else we have here? We're not gonna read it. I'm just looking. So we have stars.
And it all ends up by reading it.
Okay, so that's a lot. It's quite nice books. There's books about termites and canyons and canyons. It's quite nice. Okay. Так. Okay, let's take this. So we're done for now. So we need to finish the grade 2 workbook right now. So we have 5-minute break, and we'll finish the grade 2 workbook. And
okay, show me.
Okay, there's Tala.
Bye for 5 minutes.
Okay.